What's up, guys? Welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco, and I am super psyched to be on location today. We are in my good friend Lou Falcon's truck, Latin Bites, and he's going to be telling you all about it. Lou, thank you so much for letting us come and invade your truck here. Small spaces don't necessarily cater to many people, but
yeah, it doesn't.
Talk to me a little bit about Latin Bites, because that's kind of a broad umbrella.
So Latin Bites consists of 4 food trucks, and we have a restaurant down in Manalapan, and this is Sazon number 4. Welcome, Cara.
Thank you.
And this is very exciting for me. I've been very fortunate to be in this business for 9 months. It's been a crazy ride, and I just love what I do now. You know,
What kind of food does Latin Bites serve?
So Latin Bites serves very traditional Puerto Rican and Cuban food. Nothing extra, no fusions, just original, deeply rooted food.
I love that. I love that. I love the vibe of your truck. You got all the stickers
Thank
going
you.
on. It's like a cool place to be.
Yeah, it's I mean, again, I spend so much time in here. I got to kind of make it feel like home, and what I can't do at home, like those stickers on the wall. So yeah, I just put a little bit of personality in the truck. It does stand out. And it's a pretty cool truck.
I like it. I like it. So tell me a little bit about the dish that we're going to be making today.
So we're going to be making a Cuban sandwich, which is we call the baked papi.
So we've got our fresh Cuban bread. We've got a little bit of mustard on there. What's next?
Next we put in the ham. Then we layer in the pickles. Swiss. And finally the marinated pulled pork.
Oh, it looks so good already.
Yeah, this is great.
Now this is a big sandwich. This is a full 12-inch sandwich, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's why we call it the baked papi. This sandwich is, again, it's no science to it.
Lou, tell me a little bit about the Cuban sandwich in general, like where this is really actually a Cuban American dish, right?
Correct. The Cuban sandwich originated in Tampa, and as it came up north, it definitely did change. You have different type of fusions, but we decided here at Latin Bites to keep it original. Just have a pulled pork with mojo, which is a combination of garlic and lemon, lime, and just keep it real simple.
Lou, I gotta tell you, this smells freaking amazing. Tell me a little bit about, you got some of the other dishes that you guys serve up here. So what is this one?
Yeah, these are 2 of my favorites. This right here is the alcapurria.
And what is that?
This is super traditional, very, very traditional Puerto Rican dish. This is yuca and plantain, and it's almost made into a paste.
Okay.
Then we put a marinated ground beef in the middle.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. And then it's deep fried.
And then deep fried,
yeah.
Okay. And then what are these, you said mofongo balls?
Mofongo balls, yes. We have these in 2 versions.
Okay.
We have them with bacon and without for all of our vegetarian customers.
Very cool.
So this right here, of course, is my favorite with the bacon. So it's also smashed plantain, made into a ball with bacon, and then we deep fry it.
That sounds amazing. All right, so I have to dive into this and just see how we did here. Oh my goodness, it's like sticking to the paper.
It's the baked papi.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So much flavor. How can people find the truck? Where should they look online?
Oh, well, you can always look at Latin Bites NJ and on Instagram and Facebook. You can also find me at Lou's Latin Bites TRK on Instagram. We always post where we're going to be for the day, what events we're taking on, if we're going to do corporate lunches, even if we have the day off. We always post it on our website.
You post what you're doing.
Definitely.
And people can book you for catering, for private events and stuff like that as well, right?
We do everything from gender reveals to bar mitzvahs.
I love it. It's awesome. Lou, thanks so much for letting us come and invade Latin Bites. Guys, I will put up the recipe for a Cuban sandwich at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. That is it for this week in the Cucina. I will see you guys next time. Bon appetito.
Hueva!